blistering heat doesn't belong in your tent, RV, or tiny cabin. That's where the EcoFlow wave steps in, built to dominate the elements with 4,000 BTUs of efficient, fast cooling. Whether you're parked in the desert or camped deep in the woods, this portable air conditioner changes the game with extended run times and intelligent control. With the optional 1008 WH add-on battery, you can power the wave for up to 8 hours on eco mode, making it a go-to solution for off-grid cooling. When precision, power, and portability intersect, the Fantic W10 Apex Turbo Light Mini Chainsaw emerges as a clear contender in compact cutting tools. Its energy backbone, a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, delivers performance on demand. Fast charging via Type-C, the battery reaches 80% capacity in just 30 minutes and offers enough power to slice through up to 135 cuts of 2-inch pine, covering roughly 430 square feet of yardwork in a single session. The DJI Mic 2 redefines wireless audio with cutting-edge features tailored for creators seeking reliable, high-quality sound. Equipped with intelligent noise cancellation, this microphone ensures crystal-clear recordings even in the most challenging environments. The advanced 32-bit float internal recording allows for flawless sound capture, providing flexibility in post-production with minimal risk of clipping. Its impressive 820-foot range ensures versatility, offering plenty of freedom for both indoor and outdoor shoots. When your commute calls for more than just convenience, the Lurpe R1 delivers both movement and power in one durable frame. This 3-in-1 electric scooter blends cutting-edge performance with emergency utility, giving urban riders and outdoor explorers a powerful edge. With a peak speed of 15.5 miles per hour, it handles city streets with confidence. Its 500-watt output motor makes inclines and varied terrain manageable, while regenerative braking and smooth throttle response create a seamless ride. Effortless gaming meets advanced cooling and control with the Gamester X3 Pro. This controller's 900 square millimeter cooling plate provides an impressive 12 watts of cooling power, ensuring your phone stays at an optimal temperature throughout long sessions, even under the most intense conditions. Overheating becomes a thing of the past, allowing you to focus solely on the game. The X3 Pro stands out with Gamester Hall Effect sensing sticks, offering 360-degree seamless precision for pinpoint control. The Reva compact countertop dishwasher is designed to tackle dishwashing without taking up valuable space in your kitchen. Ideal for apartments, dorms, or any home with limited counter space, this dishwasher packs impressive cleaning power in a small footprint. With a 6-place setting capacity, it can handle plates, cups, and cutlery for up to 2 people, making it perfect for small households. Tailored for gamers who demand control, endurance, and adaptability on the go, this all-in-one gear system brings professional-level functionality to your handheld experience. Built with a modular battery that extends playtime without adding bulk, it ensures your session doesn't end when things heat up. Interchangeable grips adapt to your hand size and playstyle, locking in comfort during extended hours. The detachable Joy-Con case lets you shift from handheld to docked mode in seconds. No tools, no hassle. The Pool Blaster. Max Cordless Pool Vacuum redefines pool cleaning efficiency with powerful, streamlined performance. Powered by the innovative WaterTech P30 motor, this vacuum offers significantly increased suction, making debris pickup swift and thorough. Thanks to its lithium-ion battery, the Pool Blaster Max operates for up to 1 hour on a single charge, giving you the freedom to clean without constant recharging. Low Free Edge sets a new standard for mechanical keyboards with its ultra-low profile, combining elegance and performance. Featuring a 75% layout, it offers a compact design perfect for those seeking efficiency without compromising on functionality. This keyboard's low-profile switches enhance typing speed and comfort, making it ideal for professionals or anyone who values smooth, responsive keystrokes. Built for those who refuse to leave great sound behind, the Musen Wild Mini brings unmatched performance into rugged terrain. Inspired by retro military design, this Bluetooth speaker delivers bold sound without compromise, making it the perfect partner for weekend trips, solo adventures, and untamed exploration. Wherever your path leads, the Musen Wild Mini unleashes your inner wildness with powerful audio that fills open spaces. Edison 2-in-1 telescope offers a unique fusion of stargazing and astrophotography in a single compact package. This advanced telescope is engineered for both amateur astronomers and aspiring astrophotographers, providing a seamless way to explore the night sky and capture stunning celestial images. Its built-in camera enhances the user experience, allowing for high-quality visual functions, while the star tracking system ensures smooth and precise tracking of celestial objects. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Philips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. Precision meets performance with the Fantic Solo Aura H10 Apex hair dryer, engineered for fast, efficient drying without compromise. Its cutting-edge 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor delivers a forceful 65 meters per second airflow, cutting drying time by up to 80%. Designed with user comfort in mind, the H10 Apex weighs just 0.74 pounds, significantly reducing arm fatigue even during extended styling sessions. Cool-headed focus meets minimalist form in this versatile desktop companion. The Baseus refreshing monitor, clip-on and stand-up desk fan delivers efficiency without distractions, merging silent performance with adaptable structure. It redefines airflow delivery with its large air outlet, pushing out a stronger breeze that cools fast and efficiently, even during high-output work sessions. Its clever hanging design lets it mount directly onto your computer monitor, freeing up precious workspace and keeping your area tidy. Introducing the Boeio 2.0 Booklight, where precision meets innovation for a truly refined reading experience. Designed with the modern reader in mind, this light ensures your pages are perfectly illuminated, allowing you to lose yourself in every chapter without distractions. The Boeio 2.0 combines style and function, offering a sleek, compact design that easily adapts to any reading environment. The Pinrew's 4K portable screen offers a sleek, high-performance solution for those seeking an immersive portable display. This 15.6-inch monitor brings 4K UHD resolution to your fingertips, ensuring every image and video is sharp, vibrant, and full of detail. Equipped with multi-port capabilities, it supports split-screen functionality, allowing users to effortlessly multitask across multiple applications. The Fantic Slim Vive 8 is an efficient, portable cleaning tool designed to tackle dirt and debris wherever it accumulates. With a powerful 19,000 Pascal suction power, this mini cordless vacuum makes quick work of cleaning your car, office desk, or even keyboards. Equipped with 2 suction modes, the Slim V8 offers versatility for different cleaning tasks, whether you're handling light dust or more stubborn debris. The Openar Bluetooth 5.3 wireless over-ear earbuds stand out as a powerful companion for a variety of activities, offering an exceptional balance of performance and durability. Designed with a long-lasting 60-hour playtime, these earbuds ensure you stay immersed in your music, podcasts, or calls without constantly needing to recharge. The deep bass feature enhances your audio experience, delivering crisp, rich sound that brings your entertainment to life. Step into clarity like never before. The Enmisi 550 redefines wearable display technology with a commanding 210-inch AR projection viewed from just 20 feet away, giving you the feel of a cinematic screen right in your pocket. Weighing only 2.6 ounces, this ultra-light headset keeps fatigue at bay, letting you focus on what truly matters. The Infinity Tool 2.0 is a powerful solution for anyone who needs an adaptable, high-performance tool at their fingertips. Designed to be durable and flexible, this tool offers a variety of practical uses for both everyday tasks and unexpected challenges. Made with platinum silicone loops that provide excellent grip and flexibility, the Infinity Tool allows you to secure items quickly and efficiently. The stainless steel stud links increase its versatility, ensuring it can handle almost any job you throw its way. The Nanoleaf 4 DTV Sync camera and smart addressable gradient light strip kit transforms your viewing space into an immersive lighting experience designed for home theaters and console gaming. Compatible with TVs and monitors up to 85 inches, this kit integrates seamlessly into your setup, offering an enhanced atmosphere with synchronized lighting that reacts to the action on screen. The included camera tracks your display's content, adjusting the light strip's colors in real time. The Eco Active Buds. A B02 earbuds represent a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design, crafted to elevate your listening experience. Engineered with an AMOLED touchscreen, these earbuds offer intuitive controls, providing effortless navigation of your music, calls, and settings with a simple tap. The dual-device simultaneous Bluetooth 5.3 connection ensures a seamless transition between multiple devices, eliminating the need for constant pairing. The ZenX carbon foldable seat is designed to offer exceptional comfort and support, while ensuring easy portability and long-lasting durability. Featuring a larger seating area with soft memory foam padding, this seat provides a high level of comfort that improves your posture, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or long hours spent sitting. The addition of a pocket allows for convenient storage of small items, keeping your essentials close at hand. The Thiku neck cooler offers an innovative way to stay cool and comfortable in any environment. This personal cooling device is designed to provide immediate relief during hot weather or hot flashes, ensuring you stay calm and productive. Equipped with advanced cooling technology, the device lowers your body temperature, helping to reduce discomfort caused by excessive heat or sudden temperature changes. When precision meets portability, the result is a tool designed for modern demands. The Zerm. Engineered with an impressive 8,000 RPM motor, this compact cutting-edge shaver delivers a consistently smooth shave, even against thicker stubble. Its pocket-sized body, weighing just a few ounces, ensures you're always ready for a quick touch-up. Noise is no distraction with Zerm's ultra-quiet 30 decibel performance. The Accara Motion Sensor P1 delivers a high-performance experience with exceptional functionality and future-proof design. One of its standout features is the impressive 5-year battery life, ensuring long-term reliability even in extreme conditions like low temperatures or rapid detection timeouts. Offering customizable sensitivity, this sensor can adjust its detection range to 3 levels: high, medium, and low, helping minimize false alerts and providing flexibility for a variety of installations. The Sam and Johnny Openar headphones are engineered to provide exceptional sound quality and comfort with the latest in audio technology. These headphones leverage Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for seamless pairing, ensuring a stable and powerful connection with your devices. Featuring innovative bone and air conduction dual speakers, the headphones deliver a unique listening experience that keeps you aware of your surroundings while offering crisp, clear audio. The magnetic microphone enhances the clarity of calls, making them ideal for hands-free conversations on the go. Turn every page into an immersive, eye-friendly experience with the 10.3-inch Big Me Ink Note color. This innovative e-ink tablet harnesses the latest Kaleido 3 display, providing a sharp black and white resolution of 2480 by 1860 at 300 pixels per inch and crisp color clarity at 1240 by 930 with 150 ppi. The TP-Link X 1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an advanced internet experience, perfect for households and small offices. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers faster speeds, greater network capacity, and minimizes congestion compared to older models. With next-gen speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band, streaming, gaming, and downloading are smooth and uninterrupted. Tiny Repel Rechargeable Mosquito Repeller is a compact yet powerful device designed to provide a practical solution for keeping mosquitoes at bay during outdoor activities. With its efficient 329-degree Fahrenheit heating technology, this mini repeller creates a 30-foot protection zone, ensuring you stay comfortable in your outdoor space. Its rechargeable feature makes it ideal for long trips, offering convenience and reliability without the need for constant battery replacements. Shifting how you approach comfort and function, this chair-table hybrid builds versatility into every inch. Designed for those who refuse to stay confined to one spot, it blends transformable comfort with utility and seamless mobility. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets, sketching in a park, or letting your cat curl up next to you mid-read, it adapts to fit the moment. The armrests aren't just static supports, they fold down and lock into several angles, letting you lounge or sit upright, your choice. Transform your kitchen into a precision studio where flavor, nutrition, and creativity meet exact science. Measured brings cutting-edge weighing technology to your countertop, making it effortless to perfect everything from cocktails to croissants. This is not just a scale, it's a smarter way to create. Craft barista-quality coffee every morning with exact grind and pour ratios. Dive into mixology with confidence, knowing your margaritas and martinis will be flawless on the first shake. The Roller Pro is a sleek, durable trolley built to accommodate the needs of modern travelers and photographers. Engineered with a hybrid soft-hard construction, it balances lightweight maneuverability with rugged resilience. Its design offers enhanced access, allowing users to easily organize and reach their belongings.